Hi, welcome back. Today we are tackling something simple, yes, super useful. How to control your screen brightness manually and automatically on any phone. Whether your screen blinds you at night or disappears under sunlight, this tutorial is for you. I'm demonstrating with the Galaxy S22 Ultra, but don't worry, iPhone, Tecno, Infinix, OnePlus, all Androids, I've got I've got your steps too, so stick around till the end. Now for Samsung Galaxy, for manual brightness, okay, you swipe down from the top of your screen to open the quick panel. Okay, you see this, and you see the brightness slider. This, drag it to the left or to the right to adjust. All right, but if you want automatic brightness, if you want it to automatically adjust for you, you go to settings here. This applies to the steps actually is for all Androids. Okay, so you go to settings and you tap display. It's either display or brightness and wallpaper, varies by brand. So you go to display, so that's display, and you look for auto brightness or adaptive brightness, which will be this one, adaptive brightness, right? You toggle it on and off, like you toggle it on. If it was off before, you toggle it on. So adaptive brightness learns your preferences over time. If you often adjust brightness in a specific environment, it starts doing it for you. All right, but on Infinix and Tecno, this may be under display and brightness or smart assistance, depending on software version. Now for iPhones, you swipe down from the top right, the control center. You drag the brightness slider up or down. Now for automatic brightness, you go to settings, you tap accessibility, you tap display and text size. You scroll down and toggle on auto brightness. Turning on auto brightness helps with battery life and eye comfort, especially at night. Controlling your brightness isn't just a cool trick, it helps in real life. Are you outdoors? Manual or auto helps you see clearly under sunlight. At night, you won't get blinded by a glowing screen. Battery draining fast. Auto brightness adjusts power use to help. Whether you like having control or want your phone to do the work, now you know how. Okay, if you found this helpful, please give it a thumbs up, and share with your friends, and subscribe to Tech with Onyi for more tips like this. Drop your phone brand in the comments if you found a specific tutorial, if you like a specific tutorial next. Remember, a brighter screen isn't always better, but smarter brightness is everything. See you in the next one.